आगे बढ़ें और आपको ये बताएं कि फ्रांसीसी सरकारी टीवी चैनल पर भारतीय मीडिया का पोस्टमार्टम कर दिया गया। प्रोग्राम ट्रुथ और फेक में मेज़बान डेरिक थॉम्सन और जेम्स क्रेडन ने भारतीय मीडिया के जाली खबरों को बेनकाब कर दिया। प्रोग्राम के मेज़बान ने भारतीय मीडिया को जाली खबरें फैलाने का जिम्मेदार ठहराया। भारतीय मीडिया ने पंजशेर पर तालिबान के हमले का इल्ज़ाम पाकिस्तान पर बेधड़क लगा दिया था। डेरिक थॉम्सन का कहना था कि पंजशेर से मुतालिक भारतीय मीडिया ने जाली खबरें फैला के दुनिया को गुमराह किया।
From the Pakistani Air Force, this is another side of it, isn't it? In Panjshir, that's the heartland of the Mujahideen.
Yes.
Lots of shots being fired from the Air Force, apparently, but tell us more, James.
All right, so we had a fake Twitter account. Now, this time, let's take a look at this, if we can get some audio on it.
The spokesperson has been killed, as per reports.
This, again, is related to Pakistani support for the Taliban against resistance forces and all sorts of dramatic scenes in the sky, right? Airstrikes happening, and that was a Republic TV in India. Also, they were referencing Hasti TV, which is an Afghan... it's an Afghan diaspora television channel based in the UK. They had also broadcast those same images, except, oh dear, those images actually come from a video game. And
you're kidding me, a video game?
Yes. So
this is a news operation broadcasting that as a news story.
That's what they were broadcasting. It's a video game called...
Glory be.
I know. Arma 3, right? So that's a bit of a fail.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।